Now, you might be wondering how to exactly create a scrolling thicker in Canva. Well, this one is quite easy, but there are a few things that you may want to do here. First things first is you want to go to Canva here, and you want to go ahead and just create your video project. So I already have one in mind. So what do you need to do? So first, let's go and just choose text here, and let's go add a subheading. Let's just say this is going to be new video and description, and let's go and just add a uh icon here. So I'm going to use this star. Let's go and resize this real quickly. Just align this in here. Let's go and resize this a bit. Just make sure everything is aligned properly. So yeah, this one is good. Now what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and copy this one. So first is you want to group everything together. Yep, group this up. And from here you want to go ahead and press and hold on the Alt key on your keyboard. Press and hold on the element here and drag it with your mouse at the right side. So you make a perfect copy of your element here. So once you've done that, as you can see, we now have a perfect duplicate here. So make sure that everything is aligned. You want to go highlight everything, click on group again. Now you want to do the same thing again. So what do you need to do? Just put it at the rightmost side, press and hold on Alt, and copy it again. Make it a lot longer. Highlight everything, click on group, and you can go and just make this a lot longer if you want. But for me, this is like good enough for repetition. So yeah. So from here, let's go and add a simple, like, let's just say the shape. Let's go and add this one. Change the color to different. You could go and use gradients if you want, like this one if you want, and just put it in here. So you want to right click on it as well. Go to layers, go to send to back, and you want to go and just change the background here. So just make sure everything is aligned properly here so that you don't have any problems. But yeah, what do you need to do next is you want to select your text so we just group together. You want to go and click on animate at the top right, and from here what you need to do is you want to go and choose the create animation. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and choose the group here. So yeah, what we need to do is you want to press and hold on shift on your keyboard, and you want to start start pressing and holding on the element that you want to move here. So for example, this section here, this new video in description. So you just want to move this to the right until you're satisfied. It's good enough. And in this case, you go and just play this. But yeah, so let's say it didn't work probably. So let's move this around. So let's go and just yeah, I think we made some mistake here. So yeah, you want to go and just choose the group. Yep, and animate. Create animation. Press hold and shift. Move it to the right side again slowly until you get the last section here. Yep, this is good. Now it might not work at the first time, so hold shift. So there are instructions here that you could follow as well. So like what I said before, it might not work the first time, so you just need to do it again and again. Again, press and hold and shift, move it to the right side. And if you do see like the purple line start appearing here, it's now working. So again, just move the animation. Make sure that everything is steady here. So as you can see right now. So yeah, obviously you could go and do a bit more better here. So movement style here, you could go and just choose smooth. You could go and choose the speed as well. For it, and yeah, so you could just do it again and again here. You could go and just stop at its specific location so that it repeats over and over. You could go and do that, but once you're done, you could go and just choose the background here if you want. Let's go and just choose this one. Yeah, so in here you want to go and just change the background, add a background like a green background if you want to, so that you have like that green effect. So you could just filter that out. Let's right click on this one, click on the option for align. Let's make this here. I'm gonna send this to back, and once you do send this to the back, you should be able to set this to green. So yeah, so this is just like a green screen that you could do, real quick one. Again, you want to right click on it, layer, send to back. So yeah, so just make sure to save this as MP4. Click on the option here to share. Click on download and choose MP4. Click on download here and you're pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.